How to access folder on Android 11, 12, 13, 14 without root on Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can access folders without root on your Android version 11, 12, 13, and 14. So let's begin with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So in order to do that, you may just download the two applications that I'm showing on the screen right now. One of them is Shijuku and another is Jet Archiver. So both of these applications are easily available on Play Store. Both of them are free. So you may just go onto the search bar and search for both of these applications onto your device and simply install it. After the installation is complete, first of all, you need to launch the Shijuku application onto your device. After launching on the home page, you'll be finding this option called Start via Wireless Debugging. So you're gonna click on this option called Pairing below this step-by-step guide. Inside the Start via Wireless Debugging, just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding this option called Developer Options. Click on this Developer Options, and after you are done clicking on this Developer Options, you're gonna scroll down a bit until you are able to find this option called Wireless Debugging and USB Debugging. So you're going to turn on this option called wireless debugging. So before that, you may just turn on a Wi-Fi onto your device. You may just scroll down and turn on your Wi-Fi and connect to any of the Wi-Fi, even if there is no internet connection available. So click on this and turn it on and tap on allow. After it is allowed, just click on this wireless debugging again, and you can find this option called pair device with pairing code here. So click on this and you'll be finding a pairing code here, and you'll be receiving a notification at the top right, the pop-up here. You're going to enter the code there. Just enter the code there, here. And after entering the code, tap on send and it will start pairing. And after the pairing is successful, just tap on it and you may just get back. And also don't forget to turn on this USB debugging. After that is done, just head over to this Shijuku app and you'll be able to find the starting with wireless ADV, and you'll be finding everything here, which means it is paired completely. After that is done, just close your Shijuku application and head over to the Jet Archiver app onto your device. After that is done, give access to everything. And when you reach over to this app, just wait for it to load first. Just give access to it. Just give access to the app and head over to the application. After that is done, after heading over the Jet Archiver, at the top you'll be finding three dots. Just click on it and you'll be finding settings. Just click on the settings, and here you will be finding this option called root at the second last option. Just click on it and you can find this type of root. And here you can find this type of root access. Just click on it and switch it over to Shijuku or Sui. After that is done, just try accessing the data folders in your device, and that's how you basically open up any folder on your Android device without any root. So follow the steps in order to access your folders without any root on your Android version 11, 12, 13, and 14. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.